Namaste. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Navya welcome you all. Today I am here to talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives, that is ZIIEI. In this video I am going to talk about Super Estrella of 2020. Innovative idea from new age teaching technique developed by innovative teachers of Lakshadweep. Super Estrella 2020, it means that it is a Spanish word, superstars. The teacher, the students are born with, every child is born with different talents. To bring out these hidden talents and great potentials in them, this activity is being conducted in the classrooms. It is applicable to all the classes. The teacher needs to find out, the student interest. It is on teacher's responsibility to find out what is their interest and what they are good at, what is their great talent or hidden potentials. Students, through this activity, students are given a platform to express their own talents. As I told you, this is applicable to all the classes. How we are going to implement this in our classrooms? The teacher, conducts multiple activities like reading, writing, speaking, essay competition, elocution competitions, poem writings, and apart from it, dancing, singing, all the type of multi activities the teacher will find out, the teacher will conduct these activities. According to the student interest and hidden talent, the student tries to participate in these kind of activities. Poem writing, essay writing, elocution, whatever the student is able to do it, whichever the field the student feels interested, they try to participate in it. Every month, the teacher tries to have one day for this activities. The teacher also gives an appreciation badges to all the students. The badges will be, the mode of selection will be through reader awards. The teacher will be giving the particular content from the particular topic and she asks the students to read out. Whoever reads well, they will be awarded with reader award. And next is speaker award. The teacher will be asking the students, gives a particular topic and the teacher will be asking the students to discuss on that particular topic. Whoever speaks well, they will be awarded with speaker award. And next is writer award. Some sort of pictures is being pasted in the bulletin boards of in the classroom. By using that pictures, people whoever writes well, the students will be awarded with writer award. At the same time, creativity award. It shows that the students, it applies to overall activities. Whoever does the activities in a very creative way, the student will be awarded with creative awards. It helps the students for holistic development. At the same time, honesty award and disciplinarian award. This award is most important to encourage the students who are slow learners, who hesitate to come forward. To motivate them, these awards will be given. At the same time, we also have participation award. The students whoever participates actively in academics, at the same time co-curricular activities, they will be awarded with participation award. Through these awards, this maximum number of students in the entire classroom will be covered, because the students will able to choose their own interest to bring out the potentials, hidden talent in the student. This teacher able to make up all these. This is a platform where they can express themselves. So through this, the students will have an overall development towards what they are interested in it. At the same time, they'll have a appreciation towards their work. This motivates them to perform better in future. I hope that you will also like the, I hope that you will also implement this innovative idea in your classrooms to have a better result. And if you're at the same time, if you're liking this video, please subscribe to ZIIEI YouTube channel. And if you're watching this video on Facebook page, please like ZIIEI Facebook page. Thank you very much.